So I do a lot of open houses, mega open houses, right? And I know Mike's actually got some beautiful training. A lot of the stuff that I've learned has been from Mike's training. If you guys haven't checked it out, his open house trainings, as well as his expired system, man, it's epic, right? You guys got to tap into this stuff, right? So when we do our open houses, now somebody might be like, oh, well, dude, Josh, you're still trading time for money with an open house. There's true, right? But this is hacking the process. We're belly to belly. We've got it down in my team to 1 out of 10, right? One closed deal for 10 people that are coming in and registering. So first off, like, we're very methodical about where open houses are going to be. Like, we know the exact neighborhoods, exact type of property to maximize our success. Right then, the week before this, man, I'm running a huge Facebook, not a huge, but low budget, but a very targeted Facebook campaign where I'll get 30 or 40 leads before I even show up for the open house. Right then, based on our strategies, we get over 80% of people to sign in without even asking.